everybody, my name is Tyler Patterson. I'm you guys' favorite foreign exchange trader, the trader that makes everything simple for you guys. And today, this video is going to be on brokers, right? So a lot of people ask me this question, and hopefully before you ask me this question in my DM or anything like that, you actually watch the video. Because if you DM me with the question of what broker should I choose, I'm going to ignore you. Especially if you're one of them people that don't really want to pay for a mentorship or a session or anything like that, but you want to come in my DM asking questions, you should definitely watch this video, because you should definitely have my notification on and bells and whistles and subscriptions and all of that, because you don't even want to pay. You don't even want to pay to play. You don't even want to pay to learn. So you should definitely be the person that has my notifications on. So if you don't, you need to turn them on right now. But anyways, so yeah, we definitely gonna go over brokers, what broker I have, what brokers are ideal to choose from, and all of that. So the first thing that you should know about a broker is that they give you something called leverage. And I'm about to look up like the dictionary version of leverage. So leverage, the ratio of a company's loan capital to the value of its common stock. Use borrowed capital for an investment, expecting the profits to be made greater than the interest payable, or something to maximum advantage. So basically, leverage is like a broker fronting you money. So what you have to understand is that when you are a Forex trader, the Forex market, to actually place trades with no leverage, you need thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. The way that middle class people are able to benefit from the foreign exchange market is by using something called leverage. So let's just say you had $1 in a Forex account. I just want us to use one, even though you can't really do this. I want us to use one because I wasn't going to be able to multiply all those numbers really quick. So one. So say your broker has a 1 to 50 leverage. You have $1, but you're really trading like you have $50 in your account, and that's like the simplest way I can explain it. If your broker has a 1 to 500 leverage, if you have $1, you're really trading as if you have $500 in your account. So the more money you have, you multiply about whatever your leverage is, and it's actually like you have, you know, another amount, or you're able to trade as if you had more money inside of your account. And that's how middle class people are able to make a lot of money inside of the foreign exchange market, because of leverage. Because if we didn't have leverage, then if we only had $10 to put in a trading account, it would be treated as $10, and we probably would not even be able to make one trade off of that. Now, if you are in the US, all US brokers have regulations to where you can't get a leverage bigger than 1 to 50. 1 to 50 is a very, very, very small leverage. If you have like a $50 account, you can only get into about one trade on a 0.01 lot size, and it will take up about $23 to $25 of your margin. And if you do not know what margin is, I have a video on that as well. So you should just go scroll through my page and just binge watch every single video. So that is like a very, 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 very high margin to what I am used to. And so it doesn't really allow you to make much money. Okay, it doesn't really allow you to make much money. They also have like FIFO rules where you can't hedge, which is basically, hedging is basically, say you in one position for a buy, you also get in the same pair for a sell. So say I'm in a GJ buy, and I'll also get in a GJ sell. You're not allowed to hedge when you trade with US brokers. So an example of a US broker will be Forex.com. I used them when I very, very, very first started trading, because I didn't know a lot about trading, and I don't use them anymore. Yeah, they kind of put you at a disadvantage unless you have like tens of thousands of thousands and thousands of dollars to put inside the foreign exchange market, maybe even millions, because of the fact that they don't have very big leverage. Unless you're somebody that does, like I said, doesn't need leverage, then you can take advantage of that. One of the advantages of trading with the US broker is that they track all of your money that you're making. So at the end of the year, they will send you like a tax form, instead of like with out of the country brokers, you have to like go through like a tax expert to actually figure out how all of that works. And I'm actually going to do this year, so then I'll be able to actually figure out how all of that works. But with the US one, they just send you one in the mail, so it tracks all your earnings, all your losses, and it's really, really simple, and you don't have to pay somebody to do it. You could probably do it on TurboTax. Through your trading career, if you are in the middle class, if you are a middle class citizen like me, you don't have tens of thousands of dollars, you will probably be using an out of the country broker. Now, to use an out of the country broker, you need to be 18 years old. You need to have some form of ID, and you need to have a bill in your name. So if you don't have a bill in your name, you need to get a bill in your name, or you need to get a bank statement from your bank, a paper bank statement that you're able to take a picture of, not a screenshot from online. You have to be able to take a picture of it, and you basically sign up for a broker. I'm gonna tell y'all how that works in a minute. You basically sign up for a broker, You take a picture of your ID, you take a picture of whatever, proof of residence that you have, and you send it over to the broker that you choose. You need at least $10 to start an account with your broker, and that $10, if you have a 1 to 500 leverage, which most brokers outside of the US do have, that's the maximum, then you will be able to have a $10 account, and it will be like you're trading with $5,000. So what brokers do I use? So I've been exposed to a lot of brokers since I've been trading, but the two that I mainly go back and forth between is Hugo's Way, KOT4X.com, and the last one that I'm about to get into is XM.com. Those are the three that I go back and forth between. They all have a 500 to 1 leverage. I don't know if you can do it on XM.com, but on Hugo's Way and on KOT4X, you can trade cryptos, and you can trade any pair. So not only is it Forex pairs, cryptos, indices, US 30, oil, exotics, all of that, everything that you want to trade. You can trade stocks, you can trade futures, everything that you want to trade, you can trade on KOT4X and also Hugo's Way. Now, I don't know if that's true for XM because I haven't been looking into them for that long, but for sure Hugo's Way and for sure KOT4X. Another popular broker is Trader's Way. Trader's Way, now none of these are US brokers, so they're all overseas, I think in London, right? But Trader's Way is another broker. Trader's Way actually allows you to have a 1 to 1,000 leverage, which is double the leverage of Hugo's Way. But the reason that I always stick more to Hugo's Way is because on Trader's Way, you can only trade Forex pairs. I lied. You mostly only trade Forex pairs. It's no cryptos on there. It is gold on there, which is a metal, but gold, you have to automatically pop a 0.10. So it's no 0.01s, 0.02s, 0.03s. No. If you want to trade gold, you have to have a 0.10 to trade gold. So that's most of the reason why I never lean towards Trader's Way, but I am about to start trading Trader's Way because I'm this year, I'm doing my trading a little differently. So I have a different trading plan, and I am also going to share that with y'all in a future video. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys have any more detailed questions about brokers and whatnot and what you need and stuff, I thought I was pretty straightforward, and a lot of people ask me what broker do I use. So there you go. But yeah, and if anybody wants to know why I had this do-rag on, it's been a pretty weird day. I accidentally dyed my hair pink. Well, I didn't dye it, I bleached it pink. So yeah, I'm trying to do a thumbnail. What do I do? Brokers? Do I do the little handout joint? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Maybe I should do. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the little side looking joint. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. But anyways, everybody, take care. If you have any more questions, comments, concerns, please see me in the comments or social medias over here in the empty space, and subscribe to my channel. And then I'll see you guys on Thursday. Videos are Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'll see you guys on Thursday. Today's Tuesday.